Welcome back to my channel. Bago tayo magsimula, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
Quarter 1 Module 10, Division of Decimals up to 4 decimal places by 1/10, 1/100, and 1/1000. And then division of decimals up to 2 decimal places by 10, 100, and 1000 mentally. So, meaning, we don't need to use any pen and paper to solve this. Okay, so let's start with the division of decimals up to 4 decimal places by 1/10, 100, and 1000. When dividing decimals by 1/10, 100, and 1000, you will just move the decimal point to the right. The number of movements will depend in the number of decimal places. Let us have some examples. So we have 6 hundredths divided by 1/10. 1/10 has only one digit. So we will move the decimal point, or we will just move the decimal point to the right one place. Okay, so to do that, copy first the 6 hundredths and then move the decimal point one place to the right, 1. Remove the previous position of the decimal point. So, the answer is 6/10. As simple as that. Next, we have 52 10,000ths divided by 100ths. 100ths has 2 decimal places. So, therefore, we will move 2 decimal places to the right. First, copy the 52 10,000ths and then move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. Put the decimal point at or between 0 and 5, and then remove the previous decimal point and the 2 zeros that has no value. So we now have 52 10,000ths divided by 100ths is 52 hundredths. Just simple, isn't it? Next, we have 5 and 4 hundredths divided by 1/1000. 1/1000 has 3 decimal places. So we will move 3 places to the right. First, copy 5 and 4 hundredths and then move 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, and then put the decimal point. Since we have a space, we will put 0 as a placeholder and then remove the previous decimal point. So 5 and 4 hundredths divided by 1/1000 is 5,040. Next, division of decimals up to 4 decimal places by 10, 100, and 1000. When dividing decimals by 10, 100, and 1000, you will just move the decimal point to the left. The number of movements will depend in the number of zeros. Example, 3 and 75 hundredths divided by 10. 10 has only one zero. So we will move the decimal point one place to the left. Copy first the 3 and 75 hundredths and then move the decimal point one place to the left. And put the decimal point at the beginning. So we now have 375 thousandths as the answer. Next, 3 and 75 hundredths divided by 100. 100 has two zeros. So we will move decimal point two places to the left. First copy 3 and 75 hundredths and then move two decimal places, 1, 2. And since we have a space, we will put 0 as placeholder. Remove the previous decimal point. So we have 375 ten-thousandths as the answer. Next, 3 and 75 hundredths divided by 1000. 1000 has 3 zeros. So we will move 3 decimal places to the left. This is 3. We will move 3 decimal places to the left. Copy first 3 and 75 hundredths. Then move 3 decimal places to the left. 1, 2, 3. And put 2 zeros as placeholder. Remove the previous decimal point. So we have 375 hundred thousandths as the quotient.